My husband is in a nursing home, and he's on there through Medicaid. We
Okay.
own a house together, and I was wondering, like, I want to give the house to my son when I pass.
Yeah.
How do I go about doing that?
So, Debbie, first of all, your husband is on Medicaid, meaning the government is paying for the cost of his nursing home, I think is what you're saying, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
And is your husband still competent?
No.
So, Debbie, the leaving your home to your son when you pass away might very well be a good idea, but to accomplish that, it would require your husband's signature. I'm assuming both your names are on the home. And that can be accomplished by going down to the nursing home and having him sign the deed that we would prepare, or possibly having you sign the deed on his behalf using his financial power of attorney.
Okay, I can still do that even though he's got dementia?
So do you have a good, durable power of attorney for financial affairs for your husband?
I believe I have everything for him.
Okay. Well, Debbie, again, I understand your goal. To accomplish that goal, you need to you need your husband's signature, or you're signing on his behalf using his power of attorney. And notice that I say good power of attorney, whether that the power of attorney you have for this purpose is adequate or not. Me or another attorney would have to review that power of attorney to let you know if it's good enough. First of all, Debbie wants to avoid two things, I think. Number one, she wants to avoid probate on her home when she passes away, or when she and her husband both pass away. We got a perfect tool for that. That tool would be a ladybird deed. It is a tool to avoid probate on the real estate that you own in Florida, whether it's your home or vacation home or rental property, investment property, vacant land. We can do a ladybird deed even if there's a mortgage on it. It's a great tool for avoiding probate.
Correct.
Now, when you're a married couple, to do this ladybird deed, it will require both of your signatures.
Correct.
So we talked about Debbie using her husband's power of attorney. But what we didn't talk to Debbie about is that she may be talking about, Tom, I want my house to go to my son when I die, even if my husband survives me, which is, quite unusual. You don't typically give a married couple typically does not give their home away while one of them is still alive.
Correct.
But if the husband has full-blown dementia and is in a nursing home, that's not such a bad strategy.
Correct. It certainly could be, and the starting point for us and any attorney is when somebody has dementia, and it sounds like, according to her, he does not have the capability to understand what he's signing. Then the next step is review the power of attorney that she has.
Yeah.
That's
Now,
really the next step.
Power of attorneys, they need to be well crafted, and of course we do well crafted power of attorneys here at the Olsen Law Group, but there needs to be in a power of attorney specific language that allows your agent, the person you're appointing under your power of attorney, to sign deeds dealing with the homestead.
Correct.
You have to have specific language in there saying you can sign a deed on my homestead as my agent. So that's what we're
Correct.
looking for.
Correct. Exactly.